video is we're going to do it on replacing a bath fan. I've got a bath fan inside my home that's probably as old as the home is, and it just started squealing real bad one day, and eventually it just seized up. So I went in there and I tried to clean it, and it didn't work. It's just old, so it's wore out. You can go to Lowe's. These are $31. It's basically an entire motor. It's just replacing the motor. So it comes like this, and when we take out the old motor, you just unplug it. Plugs in just like a plug. We'll take this out. It comes with instructions. These things, I think it costs $35 after taxes. That's the brand right there. You can get it at Lowe's. They have a ton of them. And basically, you'll just put this together. We're going to take the old one out. I'll bring it out here. I'll show you me taking it out. I'll bring it out here, and then we'll assemble it right here, and then we'll put it back in. It's kind of dirty. It's dusty. So let's get to it. So that's the bath fan right there. All you have to do is you pull that out. There's little springs on both sides. You squeeze them, and then that case will come off of there, and then the motor is in there. Once you get it in there, you'll find 2 lips on each side. You just use your knife, stick it in there, punch one side out, and then the motor will slip out. I already went ahead and did it. It's just sitting up in there. I'll remove it real quick, and then we'll go assemble it. And you just bring this out. As you can see, there's these little springs. I already undid this one side. This side here, you pull it down, pull the springs in, and then it comes off. And like I said, it's dirty. You would take your knife and you would feed it in, and you would undo these. So this unit will just slide out of here. Unplug it. So here we are with the old unit, and you can see this thing is like, it's tight to move. It's pretty much toast. So what we need to do here is we need to remove this portion of it, because we reuse this dirty part. I mean, it's dirty. So we need to remove this here. So we'll go ahead and, I'll put a napkin down because it's so dirty. Pull that off. Oh gosh. And so that comes off there. And then we need to remove these 2 bolts here so we can, or these 2 nuts here so we can anchor the other one to the unit. Now they're pretty easy to get off. So we'll go ahead and get them undone, freed up, and they're hand tied after that. Go ahead and remove those, make sure to keep them. You're going to reuse them. So, and then we just remove that. Okay. Now that's clean, we need to go over this real quick. So the anchoring bolts that you would use to remount this thing, on mine, they're the other way around. So if you see, the nut goes on this side where the blade goes. This is the way it comes with them facing the other way. All you have to do is remove them and then run them up the other way. So we undo this. It takes a T15 star wrench. And you just do that. I'm not going to show it. I'm just going to go ahead and do it, and then I'll show you when it's done. All right, now those things have been turned around. You just want to be careful. This unit will it'll move around a little bit. We'll go ahead and reinstall it. All you have to do, slide it in here. Let's see, like this right here. Get the bolt started. All right, just goes like that there. And then we'll go ahead and get these started on here. You want to make sure these are tight, because if these aren't tight, your unit will rattle when you turn it on. All right, it's on there. So, and then you want to go ahead and put your fan on there as well. And that does it. And see, this one spins so much easier than the other one, which, I mean, you can see why. So now we'll go ahead, get it in, test it out, and see how it does. All right, we're gonna go ahead and install the unit back in, and we'll test it out. All right, and it just slips back into these 2 notches there, and that's basically it. We'll turn it on real quick and see if it works. And as you can see, it's working. So it's so much smoother and quieter than it was before. So we'll go ahead and put the cover back on it, and then we'll be done. If the fan binds on the top of the enclosure, all you have to do is take it and push the fan down further on the rod. There we go. And you can buy new ones, new covers. I didn't. I probably will. Once we're done, this is all the waste that there was. We'll throw these things in the trash. But like I said, it's real easy to do. You can get it from Lowe's, 35 bucks, no problem at all. So if you watch this far, be sure to comment, subscribe, leave any tips that you have for me, and hopefully you'll get to see the next one.